Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to check out a seriously impressive home audio upgrade, the Hisense HT Saturn soundbar with wireless subwoofer, Dolby Atmos DTS. Before we get into the full breakdown, make sure to check the link below to get this at the best discounted price available today. Trust me, with what this system offers, you'll want to lock in a good deal while it's still available. First impressions, bold and premium design. The moment you unbox the Hisense HT Saturn, you get the feeling this isn't just another basic soundbar. The design is modern, angular, and sleek, with a matte black finish and subtle metallic accents. It's designed to blend in with modern flat-panel TVs while still looking stylish enough to sit proudly on your media console. It's not oversized, but it definitely has presence. The wireless subwoofer is compact yet solid, and both components feel well built. Hisense clearly wanted to balance style with practicality here. Dolby Atmos and DTS, full 3D sound immersion. One of the biggest selling points here is Dolby Atmos and DTS support. These aren't just buzzwords, they're technologies that genuinely change how you experience sound. Dolby Atmos adds a vertical sound dimension, meaning you'll hear effects coming from above your head as well as around you. DTS does a similar job but with a focus on flexible, object-based sound placement that adapts to your room's acoustics. The result? A true sense of immersion. In movies, when something flies overhead, it actually sounds like it's happening above you. Rain scenes feel like drops are falling in the room. Action scenes get that theater-like depth you can't get from standard stereo. Wireless subwoofer, deep, room-shaking bass. The wireless subwoofer is one of my favorite parts of this system. It's not just about loud bass, it's about controlled bass. Whether you're watching an explosion-heavy action film or a bass-heavy music track, the subwoofer delivers punch without drowning out dialogue or instruments. And since it's wireless, you can position it in the room for optimal performance without running cables. Bluetooth 5.3, faster, clearer, more stable. Hisense equipped the HT Saturn with Bluetooth 5.3, which means faster pairing, stronger connections, and better sound quality for wireless streaming. You can connect your phone, tablet, or laptop in seconds and stream music without dropouts. Bluetooth 5.3 also helps reduce lag, which is great for watching videos or gaming wirelessly. EzPlay, Hisense TV Sync made easy. If you own a Hisense TV, EzPlay is a fantastic feature. It allows the TV's remote to directly control the soundbar, volume, power, and input changes, without needing multiple remotes. It's a small thing, but trust me, when you live with it, you'll appreciate the convenience. 4K HDMI pass-through, game and stream without compromise. The inclusion of 4K HDMI pass-through means you can connect your console, Blu-ray player, or streaming device to the soundbar and pass the video signal straight to your TV at full quality. There's no downgrade in resolution or HDR support, so if you're watching 4K HDR content or gaming at high frame rates, everything looks just as good as it sounds. Roku TV ready, plug-and-play simplicity. If you have a Roku TV, the HT Saturn integrates seamlessly. It automatically detects the soundbar, adjusts audio settings for optimal performance, and lets you control everything from the Roku remote. It's a great example of how Hisense designed this soundbar not just for great sound, but also for ease of use. Performance testing, movies, music, gaming. I tested the Hisense HT Saturn in 3 scenarios. 1. Movies. With Dolby Atmos and DTS in action, the movie watching experience is phenomenal. Dialogue is crystal clear, effects have depth, and the bass is deep but tight. You feel like you're sitting in a small theater, without leaving your couch. 2. Music. Switching to music mode, the sound stage widens, vocals are clear, and the bass can be tuned to taste. It's warm enough for acoustic tracks and powerful enough for EDM. 3. Gaming. For gamers, the directional audio cues are excellent. In shooters, you can hear exactly where footsteps are coming from. In open-world games, the atmosphere feels alive with ambient sounds placed all around you. Setup, quick and hassle-free. Hisense made setup a breeze. Unbox the soundbar and subwoofer. Connect via HDMI or optical cable. Power on, and the system auto-pairs with the subwoofer. Adjust settings via remote or on-screen menu. It's ready to go in under 10 minutes. build quality and longevity. This is not a cheap-feeling soundbar. The materials are solid, the grille is durable, and the buttons have a satisfying click. The subwoofer feels substantial, which is often a good sign for bass performance. Who should buy this? Movie lovers, for cinematic surround at home. Gamers, for spatial awareness and competitive play. Hisense or Roku TV owners, for seamless integration. Music fans, for rich, dynamic sound without distortion. Final verdict. The Hisense HT Saturn soundbar is a powerhouse for its price. You're getting premium features like Dolby Atmos, DTS, Bluetooth 5.3, 4K HDMI pass-through, and Roku TV ready in one sleek package. It's versatile enough for movies, music, and gaming, and its setup is simple enough for anyone to use. Add in the wireless subwoofer for deep, punchy bass, and you've got a system that will transform your home entertainment. If you want premium home theater sound without spending thousands, this is absolutely worth it. Check the link below now to grab yours at the best discounted price before this deal is gone.